Alright. Yeah, homie, I'm
Oh, by the top.
never gonna give up. My mentality is making rappers feel like they can never even live up to logic. You bust, I dodge it. Think you seeing me now, you just mirage it. I'm gonna like a semi-automatic that's fully equipped with lyricism to let them have it. I blast it. Any style that you coming at me with, I master. I son motherfuckers, then I'm out on you bastards. Psych. I'm just playing with you.
Der macht's gut.
Kick rhymes that blow minds from C4. Real, recognize real, and you looking foreign. I was spitting flows before I was even born in the womb. And I'ma keep it up into the tomb. And as for the fame, yeah, I know it's coming soon. Cause I'm going in raw, finna bust up in your room. I hear the beat and it's urgent to emerge in the game. You can the juke, cause I'm too sick to spit that yoga flame. The way I see it, this is rap, second renaissance. Spitting dirty sentences, so ill they affecting medicine. Ha, I'm heaven sent and spitting fire like a demon. As the internet allow my flow to get to streaming. I'm beaming, fall asleep listening. Now I'm in your head while you dreaming. Leo DiCaprio flow, I'm up in that bitch scheming. Trying to get you to buy the album, trying to get you fiending. See my vision as I commentate it. You want a scene, they can rebut it, debate it, but the hate I ate it. Success truly overrated. I see
Kurwa,
trying to get deflated. Huh. So yeah, you made it, but all of your fans hate it. And it's kinda looking like you and Satan negotiated. When it comes down to the rap game, you see I'm integrated. Half white, half black, I had to incorporate it. Get the money. Whoever did this is a real pro. Yeah, I'm just a youngin' with a dream. Been spittin' since 16, quite the microphone fiend. Other rappers not mean. When I step up on the scene, all they gon' see is my scheme. Till I open up my mouth and they find out my lyrics mean. Had a meeting with Raheem, Dre and the whole team. But before I execute the perfect plan, I got a scheme. Cause right now I'm on the dolo. Everything about this tape, I did it on a solo. Yeah, I said it's hurricane logic. Remember, I can't dodge it.
Okay, den så schlau gemacht.
Oh, wie die Klaue. The fuck, mate? What?
Look at the people around me. Black on the inside, my
Achtung,
outside.
Achtung.
What's a cracker with that is cheese? I gotta stack chips.
Care for a glass of grape juice? What the fuck is juice?
You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
Kannen.
Da kommt einer mit dem Auto.
Ich hab C4, ich hab C4. Lon, Call. Oh nein. Ich hab das Auto nicht mal gesehen.